Radial flux motors are everywhere, while axial flux motors have largely remained rare due to manufacturing hurdles. The powerful magnetic forces trying to pull these facing discs together required heavy iron frames to stop the motor from tearing itself apart. The YASA breakthrough changes everything. YASA stands for yokeless and segmented armature. This design eliminates the heavy iron frame found in traditional motors. Instead, YASA uses custom bindings and advanced materials for a much lighter structure. The segmented armature divides the copper wires into individual pieces, allowing coolant to flow directly through them for better cooling. Think of it this way. Radial motors are like pushing a merry-go-round from the outside, fighting against its resistance. Axial motors push from above and below at the same time, creating a more direct and powerful push. The magnetic force hits the copper wires head-on, not at an angle, maximizing efficiency and minimizing wasted energy. This pancake-shaped design directly transfers power without needing gears to multiply the force. While radial motors often rely on complex gear systems, axial flux motors create massive power directly. This means instant power the moment electricity flows through the motor. No gears means no power interruptions, no delays, and no energy loss from metal parts rubbing together. The power-to-rate ratio truly shows the advantage. Each YASA motor, like those in the Lamborghini Ruvelto, weighs just 17.3 kilograms, or about 38 pounds, but produces 110 kilowatts, or roughly 148 horsepower. It's barely thicker than a large pizza box at just 70 millimeters thick. The segmented design offers another key benefit: cooling. Gaps between the copper wires allow coolant to flow right through the motor's core, enabling high power output for longer without overheating. Traditional motors struggle with heat buildup in their dense copper windings, which limits performance during extended use. Axial flux motors deliver instant, smooth power by removing the complex mechanical parts that traditional systems require. They create a direct path from electrical energy to wheel movement. No gears, no delays, no power interruptions, just pure electrical force converted directly into motion. This technology isn't just theoretical, it's already powering some of the world's most advanced vehicles, fundamentally challenging everything known about car engineering. The Lamborghini Ruvelto hypercar uses 3 separate motors to control each wheel with incredible precision, moving beyond traditional gears entirely. This fundamentally shifts automotive engineering, utilizing 3 YASA axial flux motors to challenge how we've always thought about power delivery. It's not just about making cars faster, it's about creating vehicles that react like living organisms. The engineering is truly remarkable. Each YASA motor weighs only 17.3 kilograms and is just 70 millimeters thick, about the size of a large pizza box. Yet, each delivers 110 kilowatts, or roughly 148 horsepower. All 3 motors combined produce over 440 horsepower from components lighter than a standard transmission. This translates into real-world benefits: faster throttle response, smoother cornering, and immediate power adjustments at electrical speeds, eliminating mechanical delays. One motor is built directly into the V8 engine housing, sitting between the engine and the dual-clutch transmission. This motor does several jobs. It's a starter motor, a generator, and it seamlessly fills power gaps, for instance where turbos might lag at low speeds. The other 2 motors control the front wheels independently, offering unparalleled control. Torque vectoring transforms how the vehicle responds to the driver. Each motor can instantly adjust power to optimize cornering, acceleration, and stability. When entering a sharp turn, the system can reduce power to the inside wheels and boost it to the outside, actively helping the car rotate. This happens in microseconds, far faster than mechanical differentials. Weight distribution also improves. Instead of concentrating mass in one heavy transmission, the Revolto strategically places power sources throughout the chassis. This lowers the center of gravity and enhances overall balance. Independent motor control enables stability systems that react at electrical speeds. Traditional stability control applies brakes to manage vehicle dynamics. The Revolto can instantly adjust power, preventing instability before it even develops. Each motor acts as both an accelerator and a brake, providing unmatched command. The system's efficiency benefits go beyond just performance. The Revolto uses a small 3.8 kilowatt battery compared to typical electric vehicles, contributing to its overall efficiency. This compact battery is possible because the motors are incredibly power dense and eliminate the energy lost in geared systems. Electric aircraft are the ultimate test of this technology. Traditional aviation motors are simply too heavy, demanding huge batteries that create a cycle of endless weight. YASA motors break this by offering immense power in a light package, eliminating heavy gear systems. This compact design lets aircraft makers put multiple motors on wings, creating redundant power arrays for safer, more reliable electric flight.